Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle an interesting problem from the world of algorithm and data structure. The problem is called minimum difference between largest and smallest value in three moves. We will start by understanding the problem statement and then we will walk through the solution step by step. So let's dive right in. Let's understand the problem statement. Imagine you are given an array of integers. Your task is to perform at most three moves, where in each move you can change any element of the array to any value you choose. After performing these moves, we need to find the minimum difference between the largest and smallest value in the array. Let's look at an example to make this clear. Suppose our array is 5, 3, 2 and 4. In this case, we can change the 2 to 3, then change the 4 to 3 and finally change the 5 to 3. Now our array look like 3, 3, 3, 3 in the list, and the difference between the largest and smallest value is 0. This is the result we are looking for. Now let's discuss how we can solve this problem efficiently with code. Let's write the code. N equal to length of num if there are less than 5 numbers, we can make them all the same with three moves. For that, we write if n less than 5, then return 0. We sort the numbers so we can easily find the smallest and biggest one. For that, we write num dot sort. Now we calculate the possible differences if we change. For that, we write a equal to num in list n minus 4 minus num 0. Let's the three biggest numbers. B equal to num n minus 3 minus nums 1. For that, the two biggest and the smallest number. C equal to num n minus 2 minus num 2. The biggest and the smallest number 2. For D equal to num n minus 1 minus num 3. For here the 3 smallest numbers. Then we return the smallest difference from this option. For that we write return minimum, which is smallest, find A, B, C and D. Let's understand the code again. First we check the length of array num if is less than 5. If it is, we can easily make all elements the same using at most 3 moves. So in this case we return 0 directly because the minimum difference will be 0. Then we sort the array to easily assess the smallest and largest element. Sorting helps us evaluate different scenarios systematically. Then we evaluate the different scenario. We then calculate 4 possible scenarios where A equal to num n minus 4 minus num 0, changing the 3 largest number. For B, num we calculate n minus 3 minus num 1, where changing the 2 largest number and the smallest number. In C, num n minus 2 minus num n minus 2, changing the largest number and the 2 smallest number. In D, num n minus 1 minus num 3, changing the 3 smallest number. In return the minimum difference. Finally we return the minimum value among these 4 scenarios, which give us the minimum difference between the largest and the smallest value at 3 moves. And there you have it. By sorting the array and considering the different scenario, we can efficiently find the minimum difference between the largest and smallest value in the array after performing up to 3 moves. This approach ensures that we cover all possibilities and get the correct result. Let's run the code. Okay, it accepted. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more algorithm explanation and coding tutorial. Let's submit the code. Okay, it accepted. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.